there, beauties. Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time stopping by to my channel, my name is Atinuke. So today I'll be sharing with you all how I transform this old wig. It's actually for a client. She sent the wig to me. I should help her to put a closure at the front, then I should take the wig to the next level. So now I'm ready to show you how the wig looked like from the beginning. The person that made the wig before used glue at the front, that is bonding, air bonding glue at the front. So that was the part I took out in making this closure parts. So after then I sewed the remaining hair at the back. So if you're a new subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch my video. I really appreciate it so much, guys. Please do not forget to turn on the notification bell and make sure you subscribe. You can see what I'm doing now. I'm just using my eyebrow pencil, just the section out the parts I'm going to be crocheting to know where I'm going to stop. So now you can see how I'm crocheting. I will allow you guys to keep on watching. You have to watch this part very well. I don't need to start explaining. What you just have to do is watch the part very well. Very easy to achieve. And again, before I allow you guys to keep on watching, this hair is very slippery, as in I don't even know another thing to call this hair. So I could not pick the hair one. So I have to pick it very tiny, very little, so that it won't show that is a DIY lace closure wig. Here I'm going to be showing you how I'm cutting the tip out. This place is very important. After you cut the tip of the weave out, you have to brush the tip to remove the, how will I put, the short hair. I don't even know, the hair will be there, you will see it. You have to comb it out. Make sure it's very smooth before you start crocheting. You grab that. Thank you so much for watching. Now let's keep on crocheting. after I'm done with the lace closure, now I want to start sewing down the weave. Yes, we have to sew it down. So I'll just start from the back, just normal way to sew the weave. So after I'm done sewing the weave, I'm going to wash the weave. She said she wants not obvious coils towards the end, just add a little bit of coils. So I'm going to be curling that off camera, so I'll allow you guys to see the final look. Thank you so much for the support and love. I really appreciate you so much. May God bless each and every one of you. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. I really appreciate it so much, guys. For this last track, you have to sew it very close to the closure net you sewed before, so that it won't show. You know, the lace closure we achieve is a very little amount, so we have to sew it very close. I hope you grab that. So thank you so much, guys. So now we are going to unravel the final look. So I won't be putting on this wig because it's not mine, it's for a clients. So I won't be showing you guys how it look like, but it will be on a mannequin head for you to see the final look. So that was before I washed the wig I showed you. Now this is the after. Ooh la la. Thank you so much, guys. See you in my next video. Stay blessed, subscribe, turn on notifications.